Good morning. So it is now Friday morning, obviously, because this will go up tonight. Last night I brought in the essentials for starting the decorations upstairs. And I've already gone through 5 of the totes, pulling out what I know I'm going to use. A lot of it was like, the tree skirts and random bits and bobs. And I started moving out regular decor and putting in holiday decor. So in my personal friend group, a couple of people have seen these hanging out. These are the snowballs that Krista from the Secret Yarnery made last year or maybe the year before. She's got had a pattern on her website for them. But I just used some of the scraps that I had. Yeah. Hi, you can tell it's morning. Oh, Pippin. Goodness gracious. Yeah, so I used some scrap yarn that I had left over for making stockings and hats a couple years ago. I mean, they come up so quick. And like everybody who has a kid, I make a couple of these for the kids to play with. That's just scrap paper and an IKEA frame, little plastic IKEA frame. That way, because it gets thrown in a closet, I don't have to worry about glass breaking or wood shattering. Shadow box with Santa. What else did I get set out? Little music box. Those are my store-bought snowballs from Hobby Lobby. Oh, my table looks smudgy. What did Troy spill? It's his side of the table. I've got a couple items pulled out to go downstairs. Yeah, I don't think y'all have ever been upstairs in the new house yet. So I've got just like big things pulled out already. So the next step is getting the tree together upstairs. I'm only doing the one tree, and it's going to go right there. I am going to hang... Y'all are going to get so much vertigo. I am going to hang the ribbons on the cabinet doors like I did last year and put the cards up there. You can see my wine advent calendar over there on the kitchen counter. Yeah, so I'm going to do a couple things for the craft room and a couple things downstairs, but more or less this is going to be the room that we decorate since this is the main floor of the house. Our house is really weird. It's a split level, but instead of being split left to right like most houses, it's split front to back. So, this is the upstairs. Got a little Santa pillow there. And when you go downstairs, you can see that's where the basement living room is. So now you'll at least know the orientation of my weird house. And it is a weird house. I love it. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and start getting the tree set up. And I will check back in with you guys as I work on the tree today. That's my other Christmas mug from Hobby Lobby. For my show and tell yesterday, y'all saw the other one. All right, guys. I will see y'all in a bit. Hey, guys. So I got the tree fluffed and the lights on and stuff. So I'm getting ready to start decorating. For some reason, that very tippy top section wouldn't light, so I had to fill it in with string lights. But I did want to point out, I use these to fill in any kind of gap there might be in the back of the trees. Just shove them in there. And they pick up light deep in the tree, and you don't have any holes in there where the branches don't necessarily fill them up. So I'm going to get started on that. I've already got one back in there. It also helps catch and reflect light from the center of the tree. So anyway, I'll be back shortly. Hi, you guys. So I never got to come back in and finish showing you guys how the tree turned out. But There we go. Whee. So most of the bins and boxes are now gone. I've only got 3 left. No, 2 left to go through. This is stuff that goes downstairs. Excuse me. And I think that's linens over there. So yeah, I'm almost done with all the big stuff. All right. I will see you guys shortly.